Now you might be wondering, what makes this little wonder so much better than all those other fungus fighters out there? Well, strap in, because we're about to take you on a whirlwind tour of the toenail fungus world. Picture it, a pesky, unwelcome guest that sets up camp in all the moist, cozy nooks and crannies. It's like that annoying cousin who just won't leave your house after a weekend visit. But wait, there's more. This uninvited guest doesn't stop at your socks. It's bold enough to invade your sheets, towels, and even carpets. And how does it manage this break-in? Through the tiniest of cracks, like a secret agent on a mission. Now, once it's made itself at home, it unveils its secret weapon, keratinase. This enzyme is like a bull in a china shop, demolishing your skin and nails to feed its insatiable fungal appetite. It's the ultimate party crasher, turning your nails into mush. But here's where our hero, terraCalm, steals the spotlight. It's not your run-of-the-mill antifungal remedy, oh no. It's a mineral clay with microscopic particles that are basically rocket scientists in the world of fungus warfare. They're on a mission to evict that uninvited guest, no matter how comfy it thinks it is. So what's in it for you? Imagine those yellow, crumbling nails transforming into the picture of perfection, strong, pink, and fabulous. No more stinky surprises, no more itch fests that make you question your sanity, and definitely no more toe-roasting sensations. It's like a spa day for your feet, all from the comfort of your home sweet home. Now who's the star audience for this miraculous solution? Well, if you're in the market for alternative fungus fixes, if you're itching for relief from toenail troubles, or if you're simply looking to pamper your skin, then terraCalm is your golden ticket. But here's the kicker. Don't just laugh it off. Click that link in the description. Why, you ask? Because terraCalm, it doesn't just talk the talk, it dances the fungus-fighting cha-cha. Say adieu to those unwanted toenail party crashers, and embrace terraCalm's magic.